In this video, I'm going to show you how to create funnels on the Upshot dashboard. So once you log into the Upshot dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and under Analytics and Inside section, go to Funnels. So once you click on Funnels, click on Create. Now in Upshot you will be able to create funnels, and you can start your funnel with this specific segment that you created or a manual segment that you uploaded. And you can choose whether you want to consider only registered users or all the users, including anonymous. And now as a first step, you can decide to choose whether you want to consider the predefined events like the sessions page views, campaign responses as part of your funnel creation. Or you can also use custom attributes as part of the events that you want to choose in the funnel creation. And these are the subsequent steps that you can allow you to apply conditions on that. And you can add up to 27 steps in Upshot dashboard to create a funnel. And once you do this, you can give an appropriate name for the funnel. And you can choose the dates from which date to which do you want to run the funnel. So in Upshot, we have two options. One is you can create a funnel on historical data where the start date and end date are before today's date. Or you can select a date from the start date. You can put it forever, that means this funnel will run forever. And all the future users who exhibit a similar kind of a behavior will automatically be added to the funnel, and once you create this funnel, and activate it, you will be able to see the process data in this format. So you'll be able to look at how many people started the funnel, how many people completed the funnel, and what is the funnel through percentage. And it also helps you understand at every stage of the funnel how many people converted and how many people dropped out. And it also tells you what is the average time it takes between the steps of the funnel. And it also allows you to create segments of users who drop out or who convert so that you can quickly target them to motivate them to complete the funnel. And in funnel you will also be able to look at cohort phase analysis, where for specific cohorts of users, how they're funneling through. You can also look at how many people funnel the same day. And you get detailed trends on day-wise funneling reports for specific steps in the funnel. Or, it will also tell you what is the average time between one step to other step in a funnel. And you will also be able to download this report, the funnel report, from the dashboard.